Welcome to A Piece of CX. This week we're taking a look at Nice CXone and a brand new capability, which is part of 25.4 for interaction analytics, and it's called AI filtering with natural language prompts. So if you've been playing with Enlighten Actions or Copilot for Supervisor, you are used to interrogating Nice with natural language queries, and interaction analytics has been right before this for a long time. The number of filters you can apply is extensive, and that's both a good and a bad thing, because realistically that means there is a lot that you can do. So here, I'm looking at this for the first time. So I have not looked at this before. I logged onto a demo platform to have a look at a few things, saw this was there, was about to play, and was like, well, why don't I take you on this journey? So because I'm using it for the first time, it's saying, welcome, Chris. How can I help you today? And it is giving me 4 suggested questions and a few others as well. So let's create filters to identify my top performers. And this is a demo platform with lots of generated interactions on it. Looks like we have some pretty poor performance based on the enlightened summaries I'm seeing ahead of this. So this could be a venture into the unknown. But we've entered our query in plain old English there, and we'll see what it will do. So we have created filters to identify our top performers for the week. These filters focus on high CSAT. The beauty is that it has got rid of all of the data. So let's have a look at these filters here. Let's move myself down there for now. So it's gone last 7 days, strongly positive CSAT, strongly positive overall sales effectiveness, resolved, readability high, agent sentiment positive. So we could have gone and set all of that up ourselves, but it has gone and done that for us. Unfortunately, it has crunched this data too far. In fact, what we're going to do is we're going to change it around. So create filters, because I know this has lots of data, but not great data in terms of great conversations. Let's flip the lid and instead look at what is bad. In the real world, use interaction analytics to find the good, to find your awesome performers, to find those people that are already highly empathetic, already active listening. But on demo platforms, you have to use what you've got. So let's have a look at that. And now we've gone for strongly negative, unresolved, low readability, frustrated, and negative. And what do you know? We still do not have much data. So I am going to just add in moderately. Let's get rid of readability, and let's now do that. And then we start to drill into our data, and from there we can click into these and we can go and look at those interactions as we would like to there. So the goal here is it's making your life easier. We can click up here to explore that data. So let's say, what insights do my current filters show me? If you think about this as well, a lot of interaction analytics has already moved into actions in terms of things you can ask about insights, intents and topics and actions. So this is interesting how it's all coming together. But we've got customers having remained unresolved issues. You might consider analyzing these things further. Explain my filters. I mean, I know what I asked for, but this is quite good. If you think about, if you've got a workspace that's been set up a while back, you've got all kinds of filters going on, just tell me what it's actually doing, and then you can tweak it accordingly. So we're only looking for English. We're looking for poor CSAT. Interestingly, with this release, we're starting to see numbers come in to the scales on the various different metrics. We see that in dashboards as well. Most problematic customer interactions. So there we go. Things to look for: processes due to wait time, transferred, product problems, agent behavior, resolution barriers. all of these things, it just is going to make interaction analytics even more useful for you. So if you have an IA Advanced or IA Premium license, then you should see this available within your BUs by the end of the 25.4 run, which according to the help site, everything should be rolled out by the 29th of January 2026. So there you have it. Generative filtering, generative requests, natural language requests on top of interaction analytics really is something that's going to make your life a lot easier to understand your data and get even more out of your investment in Nice CXone. Thank you very much for joining A Piece of CX.